Hey guys, so just a quick video how to install LED kits on usually it's going to be like a 99 to 02 Silverado and like 2000 to 2006 Suburban. How to put the LED kits in there. So you need to get a 5.5. If you have OEM headlights, you're going to use a 5.5 so that you could get 6 bolts out. So you need to take these 6 out. So you have 2 right there, 2 right there, and 2 right there. Sometimes you could just take these 4 out and lift this up to get the LED kit in there, push it and twist it. Usually you don't need to take this off for the high beam. In this case, we're switching these to a new set of headlights. On the aftermarket headlights, instead of using a 5.5, they're regular Phillips right here. So if you guys have aftermarket headlights, most likely just use a Phillips screwdriver, take out the same 6 screws, pop that in, twist it. When you plug this to your factory harness, if you plug it in one way, it doesn't turn on, just go ahead and flip the connection around and then it will turn on. Can you go turn on the lights real quick? So it's just a quick video. Since we're doing one right now, I figured I would show you guys because a lot of people always call us and ask us how to turn them on. So that's the low beam, flip on the high beam. Before you guys put the headlights back in the sockets, I usually suggest for you guys to try and turn them on. Make sure they do turn on before you guys re-put those 2 pins. And to take this headlight out, there's just 2 pins right here. You pop this one out, pull it up, pop this one out, pull it up. Hopefully this video helped you guys on how to install LED kits on these Tahoe Suburban Silverados. Thanks.